from my small town of Greater Noida, and he's from St. Joseph's School, if I'm not wrong. That's right. Is that the school you are from? No, Honey?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. St. Joseph's, Greater Noida.
Ah, and he has cracked his SSB for Technical Entry Scheme (TES), that is 12 10 + 2, and he had done once initially and thereafter repeated it with an online course and online course only because there's no offline course right now. And on 6th June, is that right? 6th June or 5th June? Honey?
6th June.
What was the date of your selection?
Sir, 6th June.
6th June. 6th June, he cracked SSB from Selection Center South, Bangalore. And the best part is, after cracking his SSB, he has also been declared medically fit, which is also a big achievement because I know almost 25 to 30% get some TR. TR is temporary rejection on medical grounds, but a fit person is always good. Now he has nothing just to wait for the merit, and I'm sure in TES, merit is not a big issue. Everybody gets it. So I just called Honey because he is the most recently qualified, one of our most recently. हुआ तो वैसे आज भी qualify हो गया, but one of the most recently who has come back, who is now relieved to share his experience. Now, two things we are interested in, and all of you are interested in. First is, how did he prepare? Being an online student, what was his method of preparation? So can we adopt the same method to prepare, right? Because you are all in the same boat. So I've got you a person who was in your boat about 2 months back. So let's learn from him. That is number one. And second is, how was his experience there? So can we learn something from that experience, right? So two things. So over to Honey's home to share his method of preparation. How did he prepare? How did AMAS help him prepare? Because see, at the end of it, it is not just that AMAS keeps coaching Curly and we have gone and succeeded. It is his effort also. It is his effort also. Who learned the things in the right perspective in the class, paid attention to every small things, then practiced it, improved, and then went for SSB and put into practice there. So I will not take more time between you and Honey's home. So Honey, I would like you to start describing your method of preparation. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What do you?
So, sir, basically after joining this, the first thing that we had to do was improve our news thing. So Afsana ma'am guided us in that. And for over 5 to 6 months now, I've been regularly doing the news that we used to get from the AMAS website. So you do that news, you write it down so that you remember it. And that helped me a lot in my GD and also in my interview and other things. It helps you gain confidence. The second thing that you have to do is you regularly practice your reasoning part, because on the basis of that you get screened in. So do your regular reasoning part, carry it down. Then the next thing that you have to do is focus on your psychological tests. Every assessor has been, everyone who is teaching you here has been assessor at the SSB. So they are guiding you in a very good manner. So you have to learn from all of that and practice it down regularly. If you practice the stuff that has been taught at AMAS, I'm telling you that it is more than enough. And most of the questions there are repeated. I mean, for me, the psychological test in the TAT test, more than six to seven pictures, they were repeated. So you can see the level of accuracy, the precision that they gave here. So that was my method of preparation. And also what I used to do was, we were taught that we were given several topics for our lecturate. So I used to write those topics, and I used to write 1 and 1.5 page on each of the topic every day. And I used to practice in front of the mirror. So that helped me a lot in my GD, my lecturate, and in helping me gain confidence. So this was the method of preparation that I adopted. And coming to the GTO part, for GTO, most of us feel that, we are taking an online session, how we will be able to do this. But I'm telling you what sir is teaching, those are the initials. And if you get them, you'll be able to implement the lever ideas, as well as you'll be able to cross all the ideas. They are very, very similar to what you learn here.
So, Honey, so after you did about, I think, how much time you spent after you finished the online course? About a month in your own preparation after you finished AMR's training?
Sir, I took my first training here for 2 months in November. So I had plenty of time. I have practiced for about 5 months from that.
Okay, right.
Yes,
But
sir.
last time when you came for refresher course, that was in May, I think, about 15-20 days before your SSB. So what did
Yes,
you
sir.
do
15
those
days before.
15 days? What was your, how many hours you studied in those 15 days? So how much effort you put in those 15 days, which you had after you finished this online course and when you went to SSB?
Sir, in those 15 days, I tried to give as much time as possible to my preparation. So I gave about 8 hours, 9 hours for my preparation. I used to do my reasoning part, my TAT, VAT, everything. And especially on the lecturate things that I had done. I maintained my data diary regularly and I gave the time to that.
I don't know if you have it with you, data diary, but if you have it somewhere, you can show it, or when you come to meet me to take your tie next week, right? That's the time you should get it,
Yes.
and I'll show it to them because I've been scolding all the class to they're not making the data diary well. So right, so 8 to 9 hours was a pretty good effort which you. That really is very nice. And now let's go to your SSB. You went to Selection Center South, Bangalore, right? So what preparation did you do? When did you get your RT-PCR test done? What documents did you carry with you? Dresses and all, what all did you take with you?
Yes, sir. So first of all, I got my RT-PCR test done. That should be done within 72 hours of your reporting. So that was clear. And for my SSB, what I took was 3 to 4 pair of formal dresses, 2 pair of your GTO dress. So this was the thing that I took, and formal shoes matching to your trousers, and also socks matching to your shoes. So this was the thing that sir taught us, and I remembered this.
Yeah, good. That's very nice. Okay. And then when you reached there, how was your experience of PPTT? OIR, I'm sure you must have done well. What was the PPTT
Yes, sir.
experience? What kind of picture you got and how did you write the story?
Sir, my picture was, there were 2 girls and they were sitting next to a computer. So it was basically, the moment I saw the picture, it clicked that I had to write related to digitalization. So I made a story based on that. I made, actually my story was very unique. Most of the students made a story related to studying or doing project. Some of them made that they are 2 sisters. So the elder sister is helping younger sister to study and she has cracked an exam or something. What I made was, the main character, the lead character, Sushma, she was a software engineer and she has developed an application for betterment of panchayats, an application named ePunch. So the service delivery was continued and it led to the efficiency of panchayat. So it was a very unique story and everyone liked it.
Good. And then how was the discussion? Was it a fish market or you got adequate chance when the group was the group split or it was like a full group discussion?
Sir, I was divided into a group of 18 students and most of them were repeaters. So it was a fish market. After that, we were divided into 2 groups of 9 candidates each. So it went good after that.
Okay. With 9, there was not much of a fish market. You were express your views. How many got recommended in your stage 1? Out of how many?
Sir, 177 reported and 38 were screened in.
Very nice. And now let's go to your psych test, I think, which you already mentioned. A lot of pictures had come. Anything else you would like to talk next day when you had the psych test? About VAT or SRT? Think any problem you faced?
Sir, I had practiced a lot of, I have done the VAT practice that we do in our online course. Also, I had practiced the test that we have on YouTube. So I was good at my speed. I could do all my 60 watts. Then coming to the SRTs, sir, SRTs, what we have is they gave a booklet. So I could do 50 SRTs.
That's pretty good.
That was
50 out of 60.
Yes. So that was also fine. And self-description, we practice here. So that also went really well.
Right. Now, as far as interview is concerned, you must have had your interview somewhere on the 2nd or 3rd day. How was the interview experience? How was the kind of questions you got or you had?
Yes, sir. So, sir, when he started with the basic CIQs, So in the very first CIQ, I was giving my answers in an organized manner. So he stopped me in the middle of very first CIQ. He said that you have prepared well, so I'll not go with the order. So he asked random questions after that.
I see. Okay. So how many could you answer, and how many any question you got stuck at?
Sir, I could not answer one of the questions. It was basically he went into affairs very deeply. I mean, he asked about the Suez Canal issue. I answered every question that he asked, and in last he asked one question that what is the current status of that ship?
What is the status of? Yeah, you told me in the evening. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that must be under litigation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after the interview, how was the GTO? How did you handle the GTO task?
Sir, my GTO started with the starting with the GD. I was able to give very good points. I mean, my group members were like, "Yeah, he has done really well. He has done really well. He'll get recommended." They started saying this after our GD. So this was the impact that I had. Then coming to the second group planning exercise, I was able to give good points. I wrote my planning in an organized manner. Then coming to the PGT task, so we were able to do 3 PGT obstacles at the 3 stages, and I was able to give 3 to 4 ideas in whole of that. So that was a good performance.
Yes, and how was your command task performance? Yeah, before that, individual obstacles and lecturate, of course.
Yes, sir. Sir, for lecturate, my the topic that I chose was World Wide Web. So I had prepared that topic. I was given that topic in this online course. So I had prepared that well, and I was able to speak good on that topic. Then coming to individual obstacles, sir, I cleared 9 obstacles.
Okay, good. So how was the command task?
Sir, in my command task, I was given movable structures. So at that time, it hit to me like that I have good chances of getting recommended. So I was able to do that. Yes. So I was able to do that well. I briefed my subordinates well, and I was able to give good commands, and we were able to implement the ideas.
Okay, I think I have asked you so many questions. Let me now move on to our class. Anybody wants to ask anything to Hani regarding his SSB? Here is the opportunity. A lot of people keep asking me, sir, हमें telephone number दो. Telephone number मैं नहीं share करूँगा selected candidates. Otherwise, then you'll trouble them rather too much. You ask here in the class whatever you want to ask, and these are the small tips which will really help. Okay, rather than getting after somebody, each one of you is individual and different, right? So anyone wants to ask anything. So yeah, Priya has raised his hand. Do you want to ask something?
Yeah? Yes, sir. First of all, congratulations, sir, for getting selected. My question is, sir,
ये तेरे बहुत छोटा है, ये class 12 वाला है. You can call him.
Sir, he'll get in the first.
Thank you,
much early, so he's senior.
No, it's okay.
So in the PPTT story, you said you wrote a very unique story and a very good story. So in the while discussing, you entered your points, or you just went along with the group?
Like I put up my points, but my group, there were some recommended candidates also. So they were trying to push their own story. So we were, taught here that we have to go with the group. So I kept that in mind, and I went on with the group. So it was a good discussion. We came to a consensus, and the assessors were impressed with that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That's the right way.
Chess number 14.
Please ask.
First of all, congratulations, Hani, on your recommendation. I would like to ask about your daily routine to preparation of SSB.
Yes. So my daily routine always used to start with my news. So I used to practice those news. I used to write them down, and in the process of writing, I used to remember and memorize all of them. Then I would spend time on my reasoning part. After doing my reasoning, I would spend some time for my lecturate. Like I told, picking up one topic, writing 1.5 page on that topic, and then practicing that in front of the mirror. Then after taking some break, you do your lunch and everything. Then after that, I used to practice my CIQs and the other things for my GD preparation and everything. Then in the evening, I used to spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour on my fitness regime. That is very important for maintaining agility in your GTO tasks. So after that, in the night also, I was added to the AMAS Family One group. So I used to practice regularly on that group. And if you maintain regular practice, then definitely you can do it.
Thank you so much.
Next, anyone else wants to ask any question? Any questions to Hani Som? Yeah, please go ahead.
First of all, very congratulations.
Thank you.
And I would like to ask, like, in the GTO task, did you find any difficulty, or like, did you find the Amasians are different from the other candidates who might have taken coaching from other things? Like, did you find any difference? I'm sure you might have.
Yes. So the difference that I found was I had ideas. I mean, when the group was struck, I was the one who used to give ideas to move forward. And secondly, I was always in the center of group activity. So even if the group was struck, you try doing something or other, and then you'll find ways. You keep those points in mind that sir told. Identify the fulcrum, place the plank, then tie the rope at correct distance. You keep that points in mind, and you'll be able to do good in all the tasks.
Okay, thank you.
Any question? Anybody else?
Just 7, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Congratulations, sir. I want to ask you
Thank
that how did you practice your reasoning? You said you practiced reasoning. After leaving the class, this online class, how did you practice that alone? Because you do not have people to discuss for the GD and all. How did you do it alone?
For the GD part, we had topics. So I started with picking up a lead, and I used to practice them as lecturate. And when the time for discussion came, I had my sibling along with me, and we used to practice that one-on-one. So you can pick up your friend or someone that you have at home, and you can practice that regularly.
Yeah. So now hunt for a sibling. Shruti? Okay.
Sure,
yeah.
sir.
Anybody else? Any questions? Right. Okay. If there are no questions, it was a real treat meeting virtually Hani Som, but I'm really waiting to meet him in reality, which will not be very far, I'm sure. Because next week, if we have a chance for cleaning our institute, he stays nearby by chance, so I'm sure he'll get to come and meet us for a short span of time.
Yes.
So fine, thank you so much, Hani, for sharing your time, and I wish you all the best. And the only thing is, keep physically stay fit. That's some advice I'll give you. From now to the time you join the academy, that is Gaya, OTA Gaya, and you have to maintain yourself. This fitness which you achieve now probably is about 20-25% more than this, right? Otherwise, when you reach there, you certainly have so much pressure on your limbs that a lot of people end up, having pains here and there. So in order not to have that, so it will be good to do some exercise in the Greater Noida Stadium or on the roads in the morning, so that when you land up there,
Yes, sir.
all your body is in a very fit state, and you don't have, at least you don't have the physical part. Studies, that of course they will make you do studies that anyway you have to do, right? But physically, what happens, those
Yes.
are not physically fit on arrival. It takes about 1 month to get into shape, right? So you tend to be crippled with pains and all that, this and that, and some of them will take you to the doctor and all that. That makes you miss your academic classes, and that makes you go back as far as your training is concerned. So I
Yes.
don't want you to do that. I want you to be on the forefront forever, right? All the best.
Yes.
Thank you very much for joining. So I'll now be with the class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.